Hello and welcome. I'm Parul Sharma and you're watching Zoom TV. Today I have with me the talented and absolutely gorgeous Raveena Tandon. Welcome Raveena.
Thank you, Parul.
How are you doing on this bright and beautiful day in Shilim की वादियाँ?
सिरोना की वादियाँ हम बोलेंगे.
सिरोना की वादियाँ.
सिरोना की वादियाँ जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ ना, आइए ना सिरोना.
कातिलाना, कातिलाना. Okay, so diving right in, I think you will relate to this question the most. Your character, Kasturi in Aranyak, she's basically a badass woman. She's a mother and she's a working professional. Basically you. What are like some unseen struggles that people don't really know about in balancing and being all these things?
Well, I don't think these struggles are unseen anymore. They are out there in the open. It's just people probably don't talk about it. Honestly, the kind of emotional support that probably you and I get, we are those lucky privileged ones from our families to go out there and achieve our goals and to dream, achieving, excelling in our careers, chosen careers. But all of them don't have that kind of backing. And somehow what can be unseen is the kind of taunts that they go through every day in their lives. You know, while they are there trying to achieve their goals, doing their dream job, at the most they come back home, they're probably exhausted, tired, but trying to also contribute in the house and still getting sarcastic comments over it. Right. Whereas they're trying to run around, complete duties of their family life, and then if by chance they're a little late reaching, whether they've gone to drop their son to school or daughter to school or something has happened in the house, the minute they reach the job, it's the boss who takes off on them. So somewhere women, and the onus of looking after a family or a household is always on the woman.
Yeah, still for some.
So for her, she has to balance both these lives, right? And excel in both. Cannot be a failure here, cannot be a failure here.
Yeah.
She probably has to work doubly harder in the office to prove to her male boss that she is probably equal, if not better, than her male colleague.
Absolutely.
So that is the struggle that I think is a constant in a lot of women.
Several of your contemporaries from the 90s have also kind of made their way into the digital OTT space in the last couple of years. What is it personally for you that kind of made you see the digital medium and be like, okay, ye to karna hai, like must jump on this wagon and sort of get onto it?
So it's not the matter of let's jump onto the wagon. I think it is what also satisfies you creatively. Besides that, I also feel that times where when times are changing, you have to evolve along with. So there was the advent of suddenly TV channels opening up. Everyone was hosting, doing reality shows, doing TV, and we all adapted to that also very well. And then now it is streaming into your homes, and that also is something that all actors, because see, ultimately we are actors. Okay, that is just the cameras there in front of us, and that is what matters to us. From here, what we are performing here is for our audiences, through which कौन से जरिए से वो हमारी ऑडियंस तक पहुंचती है, is for me actually to a certain level irrelevant.
Okay.
So if I could be doing a play, or I could be doing a reality show, or I could be doing a web series, or I could be doing a film. For me, at that moment, I want to perform and give it my best so that I can reach across to the screen or reach across through the stage and touch my audience. And they need to feel for me. For me, that is rewarding as an actor, not the medium through which I'm portraying.
Absolutely. आपकी brilliance पहुंच जाए सब पे, just somehow. No, I get it. You made your Bollywood debut in 1991, and 30 years later, you're all set to make your digital debut. If you had to sum up this entire journey and what it means to you, how would you put it?
It's a
hectic
journey
one.
to sum up in one word or in one sentence, but it's been great. But in just two words, I would say no regrets at all. Content. If I were to change anything in the way that my life has led up to where I am today, I think I would not probably be sitting here talking about Aranyak to you. Maybe life would have been different. Good, bad, who knows? It's a parallel life that you're talking about. So I believe everyone has this path to follow, path of destiny. And if things happen to you at that time, probably they were meant to be. And what decision you took. There are so many times you think a decision that you're taking is the right decision at the time, but it turns out wrong. But then if you start taking it negatively, I think your life at that point will reach a dead end. So you do have to sit back and say yes. In retrospect, I think that was the right decision, because if this would have not happened, this wouldn't have happened. I wouldn't
Right.
probably have been here. There are so many times where there are missed opportunities for so many people. Like you see Kasturi Dogra. In that, Kasturi is saying that jiska mujhe intezar tha.
Yeah. All my
You know,
life, what I've been
yeah. This now see, that is what happens to me. I go back to Kasturi Dogra and say, जिसका मुझे इंतजार था, and you know, जिंदगी भर
Character
जिसका, जिंदगी भर जिसका इंतजार था, वो केस अब आया है, और जब आया है जब मैं अपनी कुर्सी छोड़ रही हूँ. So there are moments when people lose opportunities, but there might also be something. There's a plan for you, right?
Right.
So there might be something good. If I believe if you're talented, you're hardworking, you have a good clean heart, you've not hurt anyone along the way, only good can happen to you. And I strongly believe in that mantra. And for me, Kasturi makes the most of that, and that's what ultimately happens with her.
Off the top of your head, would you have something that you think you kind of passed up, or sort of it went away and you, not regrets like you said?
So many
but-
things, but no regrets. Because then again, come back. Would I be sitting here? Would I have got married to my husband? Would I have my 2 beautiful kids? Would I have been the way I am, a content, happy person at this moment sitting in front of you?
Yeah.
Probably not. Something else could have gone wrong.
Fair enough, fair enough.
And it could have been worse.
Okay, now we're going to do a quick game, and we're going to make it like fun and pumpy, because
Thank you.
We're going to ask you some quick questions, because our viewers
Sure.
and your fans want the new deeds of your life. So that's how we're going to take this, okay? Rapid fire-ish.
Good.
Ish. What is your most prized possession?
My life.
Your life. Pura hi karti. Fair, fair. Which film of yours is the closest to your heart? I know it's a long career.
Yeah, there are many which have different landmarks and milestones
So
in my
one
life.
you can name.
पत्थर के फूल अंदाज अपना अपना सत्ता मात्र
I love it.
फट फट फोर करके.
What is the strangest or most outlandish rumor that you've ever heard about yourself?
Oh my God, so many. Please, I don't know where to start off with. But what could it be?
हम तो हर दूसरे दिन कुछ निकाल देते तो
Over here, nowadays, no, I haven't heard anything that outlandish.
Back in the
but
day
back
also.
in the 90s, it was so bad. I can't even begin to tell you. It was really bad. I don't know where all they thought we came from, that they would write stuff like that about us. So it was really strange.
What is something that you regret doing in your career? It can be a particular movie or decision that you sort of took, a red carpet look, anything. There has to be something, huh?
I know I'm thinking. But see, that is the good thing about me. Na? I block all the negative memories. So मैं याद भी करने जाऊँ तो yeah, there are a few decisions that I took that they were disasters. But then to a certain extent, I'm glad that it happened. There were okay, let me say this. My permed hair. I was just telling someone, and we were watching Kshatriya going on TV just on B4U or something, and I was like, my ghastly, jungle of a
What was I
permed hair.
thinking?
What was I thinking? And I had such nice long hair. Why did I even try and go and perm it? Because everyone had permed it, and I went and permed my
The
hair.
trend, yeah.
Oh my God! It was disastrous. Standing out from all sides, and it was disastrous. Please.
That's a
Yes.
good
Okay,
one.
embarrassing. I've never lived that down.
Who is your absolute favorite co-star that you've worked with till date, and why?
I think all of them. I think that has to be Shah Rukh, Sanju, Sunil. All of them mostly. I don't know whom to really pinpoint.
A movie or show that you've watched in recent times that you thought was brilliant and you would have loved to be a part of?
So many of them.
Out of like pure
Delhi Crime.
appreciation. That's a
Okay, I can say.
Yeah.
Or a female version of Family Man. I want that to happen.
We'll make it happen.
Or Special
Make it
Ops.
happen.
Yeah.
What is the one thing that happened to you at the beginning of your career, good or bad, personal or professional, that really impacted you and has shaped you as the actor that you are today?
Oh, initially after Patthar Ke Phool, I had a spate of flops. And that taught me actually never to expect or over-expect things, and always to do your best, give it your best shot, and then leave it at that. And if it works well, it comes as a pleasant surprise. If not, we'll work harder for the next one.
And we'll roll with the punches.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining me. It's been an
Thank you,
absolute
Parul.
pleasure, and good
Same
luck
here.
for the future.
Thank you. Really need it. Thanks.